you see different trees here. In this place is one big problem for the trees. Huh? But in November, December, here you can eat fungus. The name digüeñe, Mapuche language. Huh? It's a ball, same to the golf ball, and you can eat. It's so good, and sure you can eat sure, not drugs, not death.
Se come sin cocinar?
No. It's not it. This not possible eat.
Yeah.
But, for example, in the trees, when born one fungus, yeah, the trees se defiende, se protege, formando un tumor. ¿Ya? Y esto es el tumor duro.
Okay.
¿Ya? Entonces, si no se lo come uno, si no lo soca o no se cae, el árbol se protege formando estas corazas. Y esto es más duro que esto. Listen here.
Yeah.
This is so hard.
Yeah.
Many people made, you see, had made handicraft with this. For example, tables, animals, ceniceros for smoke, and others. So beautiful. But in November, December, here have many fungus, and you can eat.
Eat them.
Yeah?